Dear friends, hello. This video is the continuation of the previous one. After having visited the Grand Bazaar, it's now time to proceed to visit the other great attraction of Bayezid, which is of course the Beyazid Mosque. At the present moment, I find myself in a courtyard that I believe is an annex of the mosque where used books and Islamic calligraphy items are sold. What you see here is the entrance of the Istanbul University. At last, we are now going to enter the Beyazid Mosque. The Beyazid Mosque was built by Sultan Bayezid II and is the oldest imperial mosque still in existence. By imperial mosque, I mean a mosque commissioned by the Sultan himself. There was an earlier imperial complex called the Fatih Mosque, but it was destroyed by earthquakes. Therefore, this is the oldest one remaining. In the courtyard of Ottoman mosques, you often find this sort gazebos used by the faithful to wash their feet. This mosque mimics on a much smaller scale the structure of Hagia Sophia with its dome flanked by semi-domes pattern.
Yeah, she's sleeping. Now rest time.
Yine kardeşlik yapıyor biliyor musun? Oğlum sen gelemez ki.
I am now on the Golden Horn Metro Bridge, which carries the second metro line across the Golden Horn. For those who don't know, the Golden Horn is the main waterway inside the European part of Istanbul and separates the peninsula that constitutes the old Istanbul from the rest of the city. It must not be confused with the Bosphorus. What you see here instead is the Ataturk Bridge, which, unlike the Golden Horn Bridge, carries road traffic across the Golden Horn. Thus, the Golden Horn is crossed by three bridges: the Galata Bridge, the Golden Horn Metro Bridge, and the Ataturk Bridge.
تيران هذا چه گلان تبع Hello, I love pilav with chicken.
Chicken.
Anne arabayı getiriyor, bizi de aynı yerden alsana. Yani aynı yerdeyiz. Karavan temizliyor.
I am now at Cafe Nero on Istiklal Street. It's a very nice place to chill after lunch. I am now exploring the alleyways around Istiklal Street, where all sorts of delicacies are sold. Many restaurants here specialize in seafood. The quality of fruits in Turkey is amazing. I am still very hungry, therefore I have decided to stop for a durum, which is a wrap filled with meat and fresh vegetables. This was offered to me by the owner free of charge. It's a paste made with nuts, peppers, and other spices. Really delicious. And this is my Urfa kebab durum. Usually you can choose between Urfa kebab and Adana kebab. The Adana is spicy, while the Urfa is milder. Both of them are made with minced beef. Istiklal Street is a vibrant pedestrian avenue in the historic Beyoğlu district of Istanbul. It is often associated with the iconic red tram. I have now arrived at Taksim Square, which is considered the most important square of whole of Istanbul. Here is a patriotic Turk. At the very center of the square, we find the Republic Monument that commemorates the founding of the Turkish Republic in 1923. What we have here is the Taksim Mosque, whose construction began in 2017 and ended in 2021. It can hold up to 3,000 worshippers, and it was built in the Art Deco style. My video ends here, and I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Cheers.